What's up, guys? Harp Adventures here. We are in the Kettle Moraine State Forest right now. Loew Lake Unit, Emerald Lot. I don't know if you can see this map here, but as you can see, we are starting our hike here and about the central part of this loop. We're just gonna go on a nice little hike. Maybe talk about some stuff or not. Just soak in the quiet of this. I mean, man, I used to come here back when I was a kid. It's pretty dead today. I'm literally the only car in the lot. Sometimes there's 3 or 4 other people here, but right now I'm alone. So we're just gonna take a stroll around. This path might be a little muddy because it rained yesterday. I know people bring horses too here, so I might have to dodge some horse poop on the ground. Ah, man, this view already is beautiful. I used to come here when I was younger and partake in the herbage of the green leaf, if you know what I mean, but lately I have not been partaking. Been fully sober, enjoying life, such as this, just taking strolls around. And if you do partake, I don't judge. I just want to clear my mind for a while. Been sober almost like 2 months now, and my mind has felt more clear than ever. I love the bird sounds. So relaxing, so peaceful. My camera battery is only about 35%. I forgot to charge it before I headed out, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. If it'll last the whole loop or not. If not, then well, we can come back here another day because I believe there's multiple paths. So, if I didn't mention earlier, we are in Wisconsin. Nice little secluded area on the rustic roads in kind of the middle of nowhere, so it's very quiet. Probably the only human for about a mile or 2, unless there's other people here now on foot. Not sure, because there are some properties in the area. When I came here, it was cloudy out, and now the sun is peeking out. It's like a very beautiful 72 degrees. Got a light jacket on, and some sweatpants and a hat because I didn't want to bother putting on insect repellent for the mosquitoes or possible ticks, because there are ticks around. But as long as we stay on the path, we shouldn't have to worry about any of that. I'd like to bring my bike here at some point too and do a bike ride of this place as well. That'll be nice. Oh, I'm smelling horse poo, so I'm gonna watch my step here now. Oh yeah, there's some on the ground. It's like a little minefield around here. I might cut this video up or I might post it raw. We'll see. I think it'd be better to just post the raw footage. Let you guys see it. What is this plant here? It's pretty cool looking. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. I'll point it up a little bit, point a little down. Pretty nice looking thing. Ooh, some berries, although those are most likely poisonous because usually bright red berries are almost always poisonous. Although I can't say that with 100% certainty, but I would advise not to eat anything if you don't know what it is. The only thing I can reliably identify are black raspberries. They have little drupelets and thorny bush, so you can distinguish them pretty easily. Maybe we'll see some here and I'll be able to get it on camera because there should be some growing around here, I believe. Should go this way or that way? We're at a fork in the road. Keep going this way. Next time I will charge all my batteries up. I didn't even charge my other batteries. So if one battery dies, then we can go to the next. I'm still on blinking red, so we are still alive. I should just check on my phone what the battery is here and see how fast it's draining. %. Okay, we were at like 35% when we came here. So this should probably last at least a half hour or so, so it's good enough for me. What is that thing squeaking? Whee! Whee! Does anyone know what that thing is? If anyone knows what that is, please tell me. I hear it all the time, but I don't know what kind of animal it is. If it's a bird or a mammal of some sort, it'd be interesting to know. Oh, mosquitoes are starting to go for my neck. The only skin uncovered besides my hands and my face. Oh, there's a horse poo with like a million flies flying around. Ah, the sun is so nice. I'm glad I got good lighting for this video because my first video I recorded at night and GoPros do not capture. What is up, guys? I am back. I guess the footage cut out while I was walking. Sorry about that. We'll have to keep track of that to make sure the light is still blinking every once in a while. I don't know if that happens when the battery is low or if I just accidentally stopped the footage by accident, but I don't think we missed too much. Just a minute or two of walking. This trail probably takes like a half hour to walk anyways, so. We'll keep it moving. It's starting to get a little hot now. And I drank some water before I left, but my mouth is already starting to get dry. It's okay. Oh, hey, buddy. One person. Hello.
How you doing?
Good. Your dog just went in the brush there somewhere. Oh, there he is. Oh, chasing the rabbit. All right. That's cool. He must be a local that lives around here, because I didn't see any other cars in the lot unless there's other parking lots around. Maybe on the other side. A lot of people like to come to this bridge up here and fish, because I believe there is fish in this pond. Well, there must be if people fish, so yeah. We'll get a shot over here at the bridge. It's a pretty nice view too, so I'd like to show that off. Man, with the sun out, it got, oh my God, I got like 10 degrees hotter. I'm gonna be so thankful for that water when I get back, but water just hits different when you're really thirsty versus just a little bit thirsty, if you know what I mean. I'm sure y'all can relate. These birds be singing. What you guys singing about? Look at that. Oh my God. Here we go. I'm gonna put my GoPro over like this. Look at those lily pads. A bunch of them. Looks really nice. Just sit here for a minute. I see something in the grass over there. Looks like I don't know if it's a tree stump or a deer. Way out on the side of the riverbank. Probably just a tree stump. Yeah. Birds are music to my ear. We'll take a shot from over here too. Look at that. I'm gonna go under the bridge here real quick. Just show off maybe the graffiti underneath here. I remember there being cool graffiti here. I swear there was more. They probably cleaned it, looks like. There was more on the bottom. A lot of people gotta ruin our fun. Not that I graffiti, but I respect the art. As long as it's in good fashion. Ah, the breeze is so nice. And a little island there where the grass is growing because of those rocks. Nature always finds a way. Let's keep it moving here anyways. I don't know what this is. This is a path. I don't know. I'm just checking it out. Let's keep moving. If you guys have liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just starting out, so anything helps. Even a cool, just single words in the comments, just anything to help. Maybe put me in the algorithm. That would be nice. Because right now I'm unemployed, so I got no funds coming in. I'm just doing this just for fun. And we will see how long we can go until our bank account drains to zero and we have to go back and get a job. Which is fine with me because I've been working hard my whole life, and now I'm 26 and I just want to have a little temporary retirement and find what I really want to do. It could be something like this, just going on little nature hikes or bike rides with myself or others. Maybe next time I could invite a friend to come along and we can shoot the shiz, as they say. Nah, much better in the shade. Much, much better. I never appreciated nature as much as when I was little. I guess I didn't really stop and soak it in. I mean, just this little spot right here, this is like a painting on its own. All the trees and a little, this would be like a perfect spot to set up a hammock, like right between these two trees right here. Maybe someday I could do that and come back. Although there's hours to this place, but that'd be kind of cool to maybe sneak in after hours and just set up, just park somewhere far away and stealth camp or something. That would be cool. Bring some food and water and have a little fun. I haven't went camping in a really long time, so even a nice little hike like this, I mean, I got some parks by my house, but they're more, you know, for the neighborhood. I mean, I guess this one is too, but this is a little more untouched by humanity. The ones by my house have paved paths, and sometimes they're doing construction to add retaining walls and whatnot. And that's all nice and stuff too, because it can be good for others and it helps the community, but sometimes untouched nature like this is has its own benefits. Because, I mean, how often do you see something like this unless you live in a rural area? If anyone's watching from suburban or urban, you don't really get views like this too often. That's why I thought I'd come here as my second video, since the first video I was just describing what I was going to do at the channel, and I just wanted to dive right into it. Maybe each video gets better and better as I go, as I learn how to be a YouTuber. I've always been the watcher and never the doer in terms of content creation. And I have a lot of people I respect on YouTube, and Maybe someday I can meet some of those guys and gals. But for now, we are just enjoying the early days. Because I'm under no pressure right now, knowing the first video got no views, and if this one does too, well, that's fine with me. Then that actually took pressure off on this video, because now I don't feel like I gotta act some type of way or nothing. I mean, not like I was trying to act in the first one, but you know how it is to be thinking you're speaking to a crowd in a way. Feels a little different than just talking to yourself, even though that's literally what I'm doing. It's just a lot of times people feel like they gotta act some type of way when they're in a social environment. And this is a more parasocial environment, since even if people do watch this, which would be lovely, they don't know me personally, but I'd like to meet them. Maybe meet some fans one day, if I ever get any. But, ooh, look at, is that a moth or a butterfly? You see that? Well, there's a moth. I'm not good at differentiating. If you guys are, put in the comments what it was. If you could even see it. I gotta figure out a way to broadcast what I'm seeing on the GoPro to my phone, because I'd like you to see exactly what I'm seeing in the moment. I mean, I'm kind of like tilting my body towards what I'm looking at, so you're kind of seeing through my eyes. But that isn't always going to work the best unless I have some kind of direct line to see what you are seeing. Then I can kind of be watching the video too at the same time, you know? Look at that little horse sign. People bring their horses here, that's cool. I wish I had a horse. But man, horse is probably about as expensive as a car, you know? 10, 20K minimum, and that's minimum for the average horse. Nice little creek here. Look at that. Some of these birds I haven't even heard before. I guess they're only suitable to some of the trees that grow out here. I'm about 30 minutes west of my house, so. Pretty unique biosphere. Biome, whatever they call it. I'm no scientist, although I highly respect them. Oh, this is what I was saying earlier. Here we go. These are black raspberries. This is exactly what I was looking for. You could eat these. See how they're thorny and they got those drupelets? When it looks like little spheres connected to each other. I mean, yeah, you guys know what a black raspberry looks like, but they're, at least in southeast Wisconsin, there are no poisonous lookalikes. So if you see something like that, that's 100% something you can eat. So none of these are actually, I mean, they gotta be, here, see this dark one? That's a ripe one. That one I could eat. See how easy that pulls off? I don't know what this fuzz is though. That's very sweet. I thought there'd be more ripe ones, but here's another one. When they're red like that, you can't eat them yet. I mean, you could, they're just gonna be sour. Whereas this one is nice and dark purple. Well, they're not really black. If they were fully black, they would take in light. Spit the seeds out because that's what they want. That's why fruits get seeds, so that you swallow them and either poop them out somewhere else or spit them out. And that's how they propagate. Oh, there's a little structure here. I remember coming here when I was younger, but this structure was fully cleared out. I mean, wow, this is really weeded up. There was literally like you could walk, there was like a pathway you could walk somewhere right around here, right into there. I guess it's been a couple of years, so this has grown so thick that I don't even want to wade through there now. So I ain't trying to risk getting a tick or nothing. But yeah, that's one of the spots we toked up at. Now, I don't remember what's the shortest way back. I think it's right here, because there's also this turn. I'm gonna go this way. And yeah, oh my God, those blackberries are really good. I only ate a couple because I'm not too hungry. I ate right before I came. But you can never really have too much fruit. That's the thing about fruit. It may have sugar in it, but all the other benefits of fruit, I'd say, cancel out a lot of the negatives that come with eating sugar. Getting plenty of vitamins and minerals and eat fruit, so that's good enough for me. Look at, if you look across there, on the other side, that was about where we started. So we've done about a full loop almost. It's like maybe a 1 or 2 mile path. But it goes longer if you went that other way I just showed like 30 seconds ago. But I think I'll need a bike to go that way if I want to go a couple miles. Closed area. Oh no. This is private property. I don't want to go into private property. I think just straight. Oh, just no hunting or trapping. I think we can walk this way though. It doesn't say no trespassing, so I'm gonna keep walking this way a little. If we went back that way, we'd be done in like a couple minutes, but let's keep going this way a little bit, and maybe I could just run my battery all the way to 0 and then call the video quits, and then come back one day with a full battery. Wow, look at the elevation on that hill, all the way up. Imagine rolling down that thing or something. Oh, excuse me. I don't remember there being this many different paths you could take. I think that just goes back to where we came from, so. No hunting or trapping is good because I don't know if we're in a season right now. I'm not a hunter, so I couldn't tell you. But being in a closed area puts my mind a little bit at ease. I thought I heard a gunshot at the beginning of the footage. And maybe someone was hunting around here, but I don't know. It smells really nice right now. I don't know what that is I'm smelling. Some kind of flower. There's some mushrooms here. Look at that. I'm no mushroom expert either, so I don't know what kind of mushroom that is, but it's pretty cool. I've never actually seen one like that. Brown stem, brown top. If anyone knows, put in the comments. Still got seeds in my teeth. Getting those seeds out. I don't think I've actually went this way before, even when I was younger, so I don't know if I'm gonna get lost here, but we can always just go back to that prairie land area, and then I'll be able to know how to get back from there. I hear a helicopter overhead or something. I don't know if you can hear that in the footage. Probably can. We most certainly can. That thing's very loud. I was just trying to hear the birds. I'm gonna try out different formats of videos too. Maybe I'll do ones that are more edited, or ones that are just quiet rides where you don't have to listen to me yap and you can just hear the nature sounds. But I thought it'd be cool if I narrated a little bit too, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit. My name's Josh, or I go by Harp, and this is my adventures, aka Harp Adventures. Very original name, right? I mean, it was untaken on YouTube, so I took it because why not? Oh, horse dung. Dodging. Boom bap. No horse dung for me. I ain't trying to clean these shoes after. Look, another closed area. What's closed about it? I don't. And how are people supposed to know? Because it was like some weird boundaries. Like that one's facing that way, but now is this side not closed boundaries? Or closed area? Because there's no sign on that side? That I have no idea. But I'd love to know. I'd like to check the battery again, but last time I checked the battery, the footage stopped without me